Netflix up double digits in a week, but lower today ahead of earnings ahead of the bell. Let's bring in Evercore ISI's Mark Mahaney. Mark, what do you expect? Anything different than what the market is expecting?
Well, I think the real question, we already know what the ad product is coming out in early November across 12 countries. You know what the price points are. What the market wants to know is, are you coming into this from a position of weakness or real weakness? They've missed, or subs have declined 2 quarters in a row. That was the March and the June quarter. The market's expecting around 1 million sub ads this quarter. If it's a negative number, again, the market's interpretation is this ad move is really a sign of just how weak the core business is. So that's really going to be the over-under on the stock today. If they come in close to 1 million in subs, the quarter's de-risks, and it's all about what I think is the biggest catalyst in internet land, which is the launch of an ad-supported solution by Netflix.
So are they coming at it from a weak spot or a really weak spot? Because you recently upgraded this stock, didn't you?
Yeah, Sarah, I think they're coming at it from a weak spot, but not really weak. In other words, I think they'll make the sub numbers for this quarter around 1 million, and that's not that big of a number. The Street's looking for 4 million for the core business in the December quarter, and this is the global leading streaming platform. It is a business that's now consistently GAAP operating profit positive, and we're also starting to see this inflection point in terms of free cash flow. So, this company was probably a year too late in terms of launching this, but that's the past. Going forwards, I think it's a great, smart initiative on their part. I think the $6.99 price point is a super aggressive price point, which is exactly what Netflix, given its platform power, has the ability to do. I think there's a big win for Netflix. I like Netflix. It's one of my favorite stocks for the next 12 months.
But doesn't it depend on having a big release? They had the last Stranger Things that did well. What is it right now? Do they have anything going on? When is Bridgerton coming back? Is my main question.
Yeah. The way I think about it is Netflix is they've got 17 billion shots on goal. So, you and I talked about Squid Games a year ago. Nobody knew about Squid Games, prior to becoming a viral hit. The Dahmer series, which is out now, which isn't particularly enlightening, but anyway, it's become a mega hit. And Netflix has the platform potential to really take anything and thrust it into the zeitgeist. It's big enough. I mean, there's 220 million paying subscribers worldwide, maybe 500 million people on Netflix. So they have the ability, what's the next big content hit? I don't know, but they've got a series of shots, movies that are coming out, series that are coming out, and then they do return some that have a lot of popularity. So I look, as the hit factory, I don't think that's changed at all. It's more competitive than it was in the past, and I think Netflix just responded to that with this price cut. I think they've set themselves up well.
What's the bear case, Mike Santoli, as the stock is still, it's gotten hammered this year and over the last year?
The bear case in general is that it's kind of profitless prosperity among the streamers in general, where, yes, Netflix has the greatest scale, but it seems like it's a fast-maturing user base. The pie isn't growing that fast. I do think it's interesting, though, the ad-supported tier from Netflix has already done a lot of probably what it was intended to do, which is change the subject to a fair degree, start a revenue stream from zero that's going to look like growth no matter what happens, and reorient people's attention away from just nothing but quarterly sub growth and the fully paid model. So I think that that's probably interesting, as well as pretty skeptical sentiment on net in terms of sell-side approach to Netflix. I think the bullishness has kind of been wrung out of the street to a fair degree because the stock really did get pounded so badly in the past disappointments.
All right, Mark Mahaney, thank you for your preview. $300 price target, bullish long-term on Netflix.